If you're a Cape Coral homeowner, pressure washing is a must. But how much should you pay, and why? Let's make sense of it together. When it comes to pressure washing, there are 3 common ways to bill. First, there's square footage pricing. Most jobs, like driveways or patios, are charged by the area, usually between 15 and 45 cents per square foot. Next up, flat rate pricing. This is perfect for smaller jobs. A simple set price makes it easy to plan ahead. For complex or bigger projects, pros might bill by the hour. This covers tricky spots, special cleaning solutions, or extra prep time. But why do prices vary? It depends on the surface type, how dirty it is, and how easy it is to reach. Extra chemicals for tough grime or delicate areas can add to the cost, too. At all seasons window cleaning and pressure washing, we keep billing clear and fair, so you always get the best value. Want a free quote? Give us a call today.